I came to the Elachee Nature Center and I am hiking in the Chicopee Woods. Look at that giant blow down behind me. Holy mackerel. This trail has neat looking orange blazes. It's magical in here, but I like the woods. There's a creek down there. I'm on the Westlake Trail. We're gonna go over the creek, looks like. This park is only 7 miles from where I live, and I've seen signs for it on the highway, but didn't decide to try it until somebody at work told me to check it out. I'm really glad I followed their recommendation because it's really cool. And it's so close to where I live. No bridge. I actually have to duck. Here is the suspension bridge. That's neat. Little children and people find fascinating, because who am I kidding? I like things like that too. I might be the chief cobweb remover today on this trail. This one fell down and took up all the roots with it. It's bigger than me. I'm really excited because I passed 3 hikers. So hopefully the rest of the cobwebs have been plowed down. And I plowed down the first half for them. It's pretty ground cover. I should be getting to the lake here pretty soon. Did I mention it's a lake trail? Picnic tables, and somewhere in that distance is the Chicopee Lake. Let's find it. Somebody should really invent smell-o-vision, because the woods smell amazing. Somebody needs to invent that. Found a boardwalk. Crossing over the lake, which is more marsh-like so far than lake. Found the lake. This is nice. And the sun came out. Found the turnaround point. Now I'm on the East Lake Trail back to the Nature Center. I just walked through a really gigantic cobweb, which can only mean one thing. Nobody has been down the East Lake Trail today. Bummer. Double wide. Heading in the right direction. I want to stop in the Nature Center and find out if this park is part of the Georgia state park system, because if it is, I might get an annual park pass. Right, I've reached the Mathis Loop Trail, which is going to take me back to the West Lake Trail. It doesn't appear that I will be going by the nature center. That's okay. I don't necessarily need an annual pass. Mathis Loop is a blue blaze. I have made it back to the beginning of the loop. My loop ended up being 4.5 miles long, and I did it in like 2 hours.